In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon code in Audible. If you've received a coupon code for Audible, the good news is that redeeming it is usually very quick and simple. The most important thing to know before you begin is that coupon codes cannot be redeemed inside the Audible mobile app. So if you're trying this on your phone or tablet, make sure you open a web browser instead and use the Audible website. If you're on a computer, you're already in the right place to complete the process easily. Start by opening Audible in your web browser. You can go directly to the Audible website and make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you have more than one account or share a device with someone else. This helps ensure that the coupon, audiobook, offer, or credit is added to the account you actually want to use. Once you're on Audible, go to audible.com/promo. This is the page where Audible allows you to redeem coupon codes. If it doesn't load right away, double-check the web address to make sure it was entered correctly. Using the correct page is important because promo codes won't work if entered somewhere else on the site. When the promo page opens, you'll see a field where you can enter your coupon code. Carefully type the code exactly as it was provided. Pay close attention to letters, numbers, and any special characters if applicable. A small typo can prevent the code from being accepted, so it's worth taking an extra second to review it before moving on. After entering the code, click Redeem. Audible will then process the coupon and apply the offer to your account. In most cases, this only takes a moment. Once it goes through successfully, the offer, audiobook, or credit connected to that coupon code will be added to your Audible account. At that point, you can usually confirm the result by checking your library, your account benefits, or your available credits, depending on what kind of promotion the code was for. If the code doesn't work, try re-entering it carefully and make sure you're redeeming it on the website, not in the mobile app. And that's all there is to it. Open Audible, go to the promo page, enter your coupon code, and click Redeem. With just a few steps, your Audible offer should be added to your account and ready to use.